DSTV, Africa's largest satellite TV and streaming network, is on the news again. On March 22nd, 2022, DSTV announced that they will be stopping their streaming services on two concurrent devices at the same time. That means streaming on two devices at the same time. At that time, I said it was a very, very bad idea. And I was right, because a lot of subscribers, especially on the premium subscribers, dropped. And after a while, I couldn't continue because I wasn't getting the best value for my money. But yes, after 3 years of experimenting this and seeing the negative impact, DSTV is bringing back concurrent stream on two separate devices at the same time. And we want to check out if the concurrent stream on different devices is working. So let's get started. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot. On March 22, 2022, when DSTV decided they are not going to allow two devices to stream the same time concurrently, I was very, very pissed off, because for me, I was paying for premium package, and I felt that that is a premium added package or added value to the service that I'm paying for. I was arguing that they shouldn't remove all of them. They at least should reserve that for premium service. So if you're paying for premium, you get concurrent stream, but DSTV turned deaf ear. They took it all out, and the impact was negative. A lot of subscribers dropped, especially in my country. But count 3 years down, DSTV is back, and they are bringing back the concurrent streaming on two devices with the same DSTV stream account. And I'm asking, what happened? Of course, this new package now is for the premium, the compact plus, and the compact, which of course should make people to stay at the upper tier because you're getting more value. But right now, we want to test out. This announcement came about 2 weeks ago, and right now I want to test out, is it working in my country yet? Well, this is an experiment to check whether what they said is happening, but I realize that it might take some time before it gets every other places, or it might just be because this announcement came in South Africa, or it might just be for South Africa because South Africa is DSTV. They have DSTV streaming package that does not involve having a satellite account. So let's go check it out. So I changed password, logged these two devices in, and then it was like looking like the two of them is going to play at the same time. But then, yeah, streaming limit reached just one device. And since then, it's been only one device that could stream at the same time on DSTV stream. Yes, I cannot yet simultaneously stream on a DSTV account, and my account is premium package. And I am still not able to stream. Of course, I have it on the satellite. I can watch from the TV with a decoder. But you know, when the chips are down and, you know, different people need to watch different things on the same DSTV account, it's important that, you know, you have option to stream from two different devices while there's still an option for the dish. Well, I'm waiting. Maybe I'm going to look forward to DSTV to know what they are saying about this. The truth is that the simultaneous or concurrent streaming on two different devices on DSTV is not yet happening, at least for DSTV Nigeria yet. Of course, I'm hoping to see when this happens, and if it does, I'm going to do an updated video about that. So, but that's the current situation. What do you think about the DSTV after 3 years of taking out concurrent streaming, bringing it back, and now it's not for every package, it's just for premium, for compact plus, and for compact? And let me know, are you still loyal to DSTV? Are you still subscribing? Let me hear from you in the comment section, and make sure you follow me here for all the updated tech news. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I see you.